Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to, I guess, a really random video. It's gonna be like an update video. I've promised myself I'm gonna start uploading every week at the same time. So Thursdays at 10 AM, I wanna have a video up without fail every week. That's like my goal for the moment because I've been really struggling with getting a video up at the same time every week, but I really know that will make a big difference to the growth of my channel, and it means you guys know when the videos are going to come out. And for the last 2 weeks it's gone really well. I've been like super organized. I've been filming ahead of schedule. Just had a really busy week this week because we have to move house and we've been house hunting and we put in an offer. Fingers crossed that all goes well, but obviously it's meant like less time to work on the channel, and that was fine because today I had planned to film. I sat down, I filmed a video, and it just turned out so badly. There was this look here, like I don't know if you guys can see okay because this lighting is really bad. I've put my lights away and stuff because I've had enough. But I'm really happy with how it looks, and in the mirror it looks really nice. But for some reason with my new camera, when I film on the front, which is what I'm doing now, it's my phone camera, but the definition on the front camera in good lighting is very good, but with my halogen lights or my LEDs, I think they're halogens, for some reason you can't see the details that you would want to see. Like you can't clearly see what I'm doing. The only details it brings out are my pores and my pimples and the oil on my face and my flyaways. My hair looks really dark in the shot, but you can see all my flyaways, but can you see what I'm doing when I'm doing my hair? No. So there's no way I'm uploading the video because it would be completely useless, and I literally look so bad in it. If you have any insecurities, film yourself on a Samsung Note 8 on the front camera with halogen lights on. You're gonna hate yourself. I don't want to be that shallow, but like no one wants to see that much information about their pores. Anyway, that aside, it didn't go very well, but I've promised myself I'm going to upload. So I decided to just sit down and get real with you guys and tell you why the video I was hoping would go up isn't going up, and give you an update because there's a lot of really cool, exciting stuff happening with my channel at the moment and with my socials, and I want to share it with you guys. Been super proactive recently on Instagram, chatting to a lot of you guys from here and also a whole bunch of new followers. I'm getting a ton of support over there and I'm growing really quickly, which is so exciting and so lovely that you guys are so supportive, and so many of you I know have seen my YouTube tutorials on here. I'm getting a lot of ideas for content and stuff over there, and also the fact that I'm growing quickly means that I can do some really cool brand collaborations. And I'm really excited to say that I've been reached out to by some really cool brands, and I've also deliberately reached out specifically to clothing and beauty companies that are vegan or offer vegan products and are like small business, so they're more eco-friendly just because they're small, buying local, or they're organic and eco as part of their ethos and that's part of their brand. And a lot of them have said yes, very excitingly. So I have some really cool content coming up, and it has really been driven by you guys because that's the kind of stuff that you've asked for both on here and on Instagram as well. So I really hope that you guys are excited as I am about that content, and I can't wait to make it for you guys. Bear with me because over the next kind of 3 to 4 weeks, I will be moving house. Again, I'm not moving countries, thank God, but I'll be moving house, and so I will get something up every week, and hopefully it's tutorials. But if something doesn't work out well and I don't have content to put up, I will put something up. I'll put a vlog up, I'll do a Q&A, I will find something to chat to you guys about. I guess like I'm really starting to consider the like YouTuber and influencer path as a real possibility for a career for me in the future. I've had a lot of questions about music and people asking, you know, am I going to release a CD? Am I going to do a show in London? All of these things. And to be honest, in the past, I'm someone that has spread myself very thin and then I just burn out. YouTube is going really well. I've just moved countries. Realistically, I'm still new to the UK. I'm trying to get this off the ground as a business, and it really needs my focus, and I haven't given up on being a musician. It's still a big part of who I am and I will return to it, but right now I need to focus on one thing at a time. But I will let you guys know what is happening. I will let you know when I do release any kind of recordings, or if I'm going to perform. You guys will definitely be the first to know. But that's basically the update from me. I mean, I'm very, very active on Instagram now, so if you guys want to chat with me or you want to see more content that's like vintage related, I do like little review things on there. I talk about my favorite items for the season. I give little tips and tricks. So it's a great place to genuinely interact with me, and I'm not into just like putting pictures up and then expecting you guys to like and comment but never getting back to you. I really like the interactive part of it, so if you do want to chat with me, that's the way to do it. And you can chat with me on here, of course, as well. Val just got home and he's giving me shit about chatting. I'll probably leave it there, guys. Thanks for listening to me ramble on and for accepting that this week's video was not everything I hoped it would be, but I will be back. I will put that tutorial up because I know you guys are waiting for the short 1930s and 40s looks with this hairstyle. It is coming. I just need to film one that I'm willing to put on the internet. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I will see you in next week's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come and join us over at the Vintage Tips and Tricks group, and I will see you next week. Bye.